Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll explore advanced chaining techniques in Pandas. We'll enhance our workflows by handling missing data where NANs will be replaced with zeros, and also we will see how to perform aggregations while chaining transformations. By the end of the session, you will know how to clean, process, and enrich your data efficiently, primarily using chaining techniques. Already in the last lecture, we introduced the concept of chaining transformations. Now let's get into a real world scenario where commission percentages with NANs will be replaced with zeros so that commission amounts are calculated accurately. We'll also perform group by along with aggregations. First, let's start with loading the data and then we'll take it forward. Here you can see both the data frames are created successfully. If you review the outcome when it comes to commission underscore PCT, it has so many NAN values. You can see here, which means there are no values at all. For these two records, the commission percentage is 5% and 3% respectively. Now we wanted to replace these with zeros. The way we can do it is like this. Before replacing these with zeros, let's understand the magnitude of this problem, then we'll take it forward. For that purpose, as we have already seen, we should be able to say missing commission equal to Toyota sales data, then commission underscore percentage, then is null, then sum. Here there is a typo. Let me first fix the typo. It is missing commission equal to. Now let me run this. Now let me actually see how many rows are missing the commission. There are 1274 rows or sales transactions out of 5000 which are missing commission. Now we would like to replace these with zeros. For that we should be able to use fill NA. In this case I am saying sales underscore data or Toyota sales underscore data, then fill NA, commission underscore PCT colon 0. You can see all NANs are replaced with zeros. Now I'd like to filter only for completed sales. For that purpose, I should be able to say dot query sale underscore status double equal to completed. Sorry, we should not be using double quotes here. Let me make sure completed is in single quote or single quotes. Now let me run this. You can see it is running as per the expectations. I also wanted to compute commission earned. For that I should be able to use S sign. Here I should be able to say commission earned equal to lambda x of sale amount multiplied by x of commission percentage. There seems to be some issue somewhere. Here I have to make sure there's a line break. Also let me say round. Let me round off to 2 decimals. You can see it is running as per the expectations. When it comes to commission percentage here, there are no NANs. When it comes to commission amount, even when it comes to commission earned, not commission amount, there are no NANs. I'm not able to scroll towards right for some reason. Now I'm able to. You can see the outcome as per the expectations. Instead of NANs, we are seeing zeros. That being said, fill NA with commission percentage colon 0 is actually replacing NANs in commission percentage with zeros. Then query sales status double equal to completed, filters rows for completed status. Then assign dynamically adds a commission earned column using the cleaned commission percentage data, which we have already seen earlier as well. Now let's see how to integrate with the multiple data frames. Here we have to just apply the merge operation. For that purpose, I should be able to say pd.merge, then sales reps data, Toyota sales data left on equal to rep ID, right on equal to sale rep ID. Let me line break here so that it is readable. Then how equal to inner. On top of this, we would like to perform these operations. So we can say dot fill NA and then query and then SN. Let's copy this and then paste. Let me say dot here. Now let me run this. You can see the outcome as per the expectations. We have 3543 rows and 16 columns. We should be able to scroll towards right and check the commission amount. The commission amount is as per the expectations. Now we can also perform grouped operations. For that purpose, we can actually take care like this. This is a real world use case where we are not only performing the join operation, we are performing operations such as fill NA, query, and also the group by. So here, let me copy this. Let me paste. Now let me say dot group by. Here I need to make sure I have the line break. Then dot group by region. Data will be grouped by region. In this case, we are trying to compute the commission earned by region. So here, after grouping by region, we can say dot ag. Then as part of ag, I'll be performing two aggregate operations or two aggregation operations. One is nothing but computing total sales by region. Here I can say total sales equal to sale amount comma sum. Also, I would like to say average commission. Here I am performing average commission. The average commission will be performed based on commission earned. The operation which I wanted to perform is nothing but mean. Mean means average. Then we will just say reset index so that data is converted to data frame instead of series. Now let's run this. You can see the outcome. So the total sales in Eastern region is nothing but 23 million. You can see average commission is nothing but $841. This is how you should be able to chain multiple operations to get the outcome as per the expectations. Here we have not only performed join, we have used fill NA, query, assign, group by. On top of group by, we have used ag. You can see here. Then we have said reset underscore index so that it finally return the data frame. The data frame have 4 rows or records with 4 regions. Now chaining transformations can include null handling the way we have done with fill NA. Always handle missing values before applying calculations to prevent errors. Merging multiple data frames and chaining workflows ensure a cleaner and more efficient process. That's it for this lecture, and also that's it for chaining operations on Pandas. Here we have seen advanced chaining techniques. In the next session, we'll explore how to combine transformations for even more complex workflows. See you there.